everyone, today I'm going to show you how to configure extended access control list in packet traces. Okay, so just like before, here is our scenario. So this is one network, 192.168.40.0, this is 50.0, this is 60.0, and what I have done, I have configured all the active interfaces, connected interfaces with IP addresses, and I have also configured routing protocol in this network. So this network has right now has connectivity, and all the traffic from all the hosts to every other host is enabled. Okay, so now what I want that this PC1 will not be able to ping this PC5, but every other traffic will be permitted across this network, and also this PC5 will be able to ping PC1. So that is our requirement. Now for that, what I am going to do, I am going to place an access control list, an extended access control list over here in this interface of the router 1, first Ethernet interface of the router 1, and this router is going to monitor all the outgoing traffic from this interface. Okay, so let's configure. Enable config mode, then access list. Now here, since I want to create an extended access list, then I need to specify the number between 100 to 199. So I specify 100. Then I'm going to say deny, and then I'm going to say, since I want to block ping messages, then I need to block ICMP protocol. So ICMP. Then this is the source host address. So host, let me check the host address of PC1. This is 40.3. .40.3. Then I need to specify the destination host address. So host, and that is 192.168.60.2. Okay, then I need to specify what kind of message I want to block that comes under ICMP. So ICMP provides a lot of services to the IP protocol, and these are the messages of ICMP. Now specifically, I want to block this ping request. Okay, I don't want to block the echo reply. I just want to block this echo. So I'll say echo, and I am done. Okay, so that is the first line of my access list. In the next line, I'm going to say access list 100 and permit any. So okay, permit IP any from any source to any destination. So that's it. Now if I go back to privilege mode and say show access list, then this is my access list. Okay, so this is the first line where I'm blocking this echo request from source 40.3 to destination 60.2, and I am also permitting any other traffic from any source to any destination. Next, what I want to do, I'm going to go back to config mode, choose the interface first Ethernet 0/0, and implement that access list. So access IP access group, and then I'm going to say 100, and then the traffic direction, outbound traffic. So that's it. Now let's check. Previously I pinged 60.2 from here and it was successful. Now let's check whether it is still doing that. Okay, it is saying destination host unreachable. But if I ping 50.2, this is happening. Now let's check whether I can ping from here back to there. So ping, replies are coming. So PC5 can ping PC1, but PC1 cannot ping PC5. Okay, and every other traffic will be permitted. So every other traffic will be just the way it is. No restriction. So that's how we implement extended access list in packet tracer. Thank you.